Okay. And then I've got these lights, so remember I just flicked them on, and we're just gonna stick them right in between those roses. And you definitely want to do that last minute because these, batteries don't last forever. Did I get 4 of them? No, I'm missing the one on the front. Okay, and then, so we only needed the 4 lights, and then I need to put that piece underneath here. Remember, I have this droplet that I was gonna put here. Whoops, oh, I broke it. Ah, figures. Fortunately, I have a spare. And you just tie it around the bolt down there. So we've got that hanging off the bottom. I think we're done. Did I finish everything? Oh, I need to cut the strings. Let's cut the excess strings off now. And the excess strings up here. Okay, here you have your chandelier cake. Not an easy cake, but definitely worth the time and effort. Not expensive, $20 stand, a couple dollars in hardware, and a little bit of time for lace and isomalt, but definitely worth the effort.